Have you ever landed on a website that's not in your language and wished you could instantly understand it? Well, today you'll learn exactly how to translate any web page on Microsoft Edge quickly, easily, and without needing any extra extensions. Microsoft Edge comes with a built-in translation tool that makes browsing foreign websites incredibly simple. Once you open a web page in a language different from your preferred one, Edge will automatically detect it. You'll see a translation prompt appear in the address bar. That little pop-up asking if you'd like to translate the page. Click the Translate button, and within seconds, the entire page will reload in your chosen language. You can even pick a specific target language using the drop-down menu in the same prompt. It's that effortless. Now, if the automatic prompt doesn't appear, don't worry. You can manually translate too. Just look for the small translate icon in the address bar and click it, or simply right-click anywhere on the page and choose Translate to your language from the menu. The page will instantly switch to your language. Want to fine-tune this even more? You can customize how Edge handles translations. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Languages. Here, enable the option that says, Offer to translate pages that aren't in a language I read. This ensures Edge will always prompt you to translate whenever it detects a foreign language. And that's it. You've just learned how to make Microsoft Edge your multilingual browsing companion. Whether it's news, blogs, or research from around the world, you can now read it all with just one click. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep exploring more smart browser tips to make your online experience faster, easier, and more connected.